In this video, I'm using the video chat application Skype, and I'm going to be showing you how to make scheduled calls as well as polls. Skype is my preferred video chat app for several reasons. First of all, you can download it on your computer as well as on your phone, and you can set up calls and chats transmitted from phone to computer and vice versa. You can also chat and call with multiple people at the same time, and it's relatively user-friendly, pretty easy to figure out what to do most of the time. So to download the app, you're just going to type Skype into whatever browser you're using. It'll come up, you click on it to go to the website, and you're going to click download Skype and run the installer. You'll have to sign in to create an account. And once you're done with that, you can open up the application. So at the top left, it's going to have your profile, so it'll show your name, and you can set a profile picture and a bio. There's several tabs here, so chats is going to show all your recent chats, as well as where you'll be able to make new ones. If you click on the new chat option, you can create a group chat, one-on-one chat, or a private conversation. For calls, you're going to go to new call, and you can search through your contacts, and each person you want to add to the call, you'll click on this little circle off to the right, and once you're done adding everyone, you just click on call in the top right. Then there's your contacts bar, which will show obviously all the contacts that you've added. So I've opened an untitled chat to show you how to use these features. One really nice feature that it has is if you click on this find, you can search in a term or phrase, and it will find all instances of that phrase or word throughout your conversation. Now I'll show you how to make the scheduled calls and polls. So if you come down to the bottom right and you click on this settings icon with the 3 dots, we'll go to schedule a call. It'll let you create a custom title, and then you can set your date and the time, and you can even set an alert from 15 minutes up to a week before the call, and it will send that to everyone that's in the chat. To make a poll, you're going to go to that same icon again, click on create poll. First you'll put in the question that you want to ask the group, then you'll set your expiration date, so this is when everyone has to have their poll answers in by. Then finally you can set your answer options, so it defaults with 2, but you can add up to 5, I believe. 4 and 5, yep. So that's how you create a poll, and it'll send that to each person in the chat. There you go, that's Skype and how to use its features. I hope this was a useful screencast for you. Thank you.